Hey everybody, so this is just going to be a really quick little video. I wanted to give you a quick update. Surgery went well, I'm resting, I'm doing all the things I'm supposed to be doing. When I was discharged from the hospital, I asked my doctor specifically if I could scrapbook, and she said yes. So I have been creating a little bit, and we'll have some fun videos and some fun things coming up on my channel this coming week. So why am I here today? Well, I wanted to share with you a limited edition kit that is coming. Hold on, I'm going to zoom in here. That is available now over at Spiegelmom Scraps, the shop. The limited edition kit is called Sparkles by Sara. So if you love the sequin mixes that I designed for Spiegelmom Scraps and you are someone who tries to grab them, this is a great way to get 7 of those mixes all together in a packaged kit ready to go. There's one mix here that I don't have, and that is the Winter Wonderland one. But the kits come, the sequin mixes that come in the kit are Sea Glass, super pretty, Summer Sunset, Dreaming of Spring. Aren't we all dreaming of spring right now? Rainbow Sorbet. Your package will be much larger than this. I've already used up one entire package, well, maybe even 2 entire packages of this one. And then I also have this one, which just has a teeny tiny little bit in it in my stash, but you'll get a whole big package of them. Home Sweet Home, which was designed to match Simple Stories, Hearth, and Home collection, and it's super pretty. And then Candy Shop. So in this Sparkles by Sara limited edition kit, you're going to get all 6 of these plus one more, which is called Winter Wonderland, and it is greens and blues and really, really pretty. So I just wanted to pop in, let you know about that, let you know that surgery went well, I'm doing really well. I will be back with videos very soon. And yeah, I think even we have a couple days next week that are going to have more than one video, just because that's how my design team stuff worked out for the beginning of April. So thank you all so much. Thank you for your support. One more thing, in the description box down below, you're going to find a link to this Sparkles by Sara kit. You're also going to find a discount code that you can use on top of the kit. So these 7 sequin packs at retail would be $29.16, and Jody has them marked down to 25% to $25. So they're marked down to $25. You're getting a bit of a discount, and then you can use my code on top of that to get even more of a discount. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.